Wait. Resort sale alert! If wala ka pang travel plans for 2026, unahin mo na ang Cebu and Bohol dahil you can get up to 45% off sa year-end sale ng J Park Island Resort sa Glorieta 4 sa November 28 to 30. Itong J Park Island Resort ang only 5-star water park in the Philippines with 7 swimming pools and 3 higanting water slides. And makikita mo rin dito ang nag-iisang Pororo Park sa bansa. Sobrang laki ng property, covering 16.6 hectares. Perfect for the entire family or barkada. Located to sa Mactan Island sa Cebu. Don't worry, kung wala ka pang flights or final dates, pwede ka pang maghintay ng next airline seat sale kasi yung bibilhin mo sa sale sa Glorieta ay GCs or vouchers na you can use from December 1, 2025 to June 30, 2027. Yes, hanggang 2027 pa. No pressure. Pero magkano ba? Yung deluxe room, premier room, and deluxe ocean view room nila normally ay 16,000 to 19,000 per night. Ngayon, 9,600 pesos na lang. Good for 2 adults and 2 children na yan. Bukod sa room, kasama na dyan ang access to the water park. Pools, slides, so hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng day pass. Kasama rin ang access to J Activity Zone na may arcade, billiards, foosball, and marami pang amenities. And may buffet breakfast na rin. All in rate yan ha! Walang taxes or hidden charges. Bale, 4,800 per adult yan. Take note, voucher to ha, so flexible siya. Malalak mo na sa price na yan ngayon pa lang kahit wala ka pang final travel date. And kung 2 nights naman ang ibubook mo, you'll get a dinner buffet for 2 plus 1,000 pesos worth of food and beverage credits. By the way, marami ring restaurants within the property. May Chinese, Korean, seafood resto, and iba pa. Kung mas gusto mo naman sa Bohol, merong din discounts for Alona by J Park Island Resort. Ang pinakamababa naman dyan ay 6,799 pesos, good for 2 adults and 2 children. Kasama na ang breakfast buffet for all 4, plus 2 complimentary cocktail drinks sa bar, and 15% discount on food and beverage. Matagal-tagal na rin kami hindi nakakabalik sa Cebu or Bohol. So pupunta talaga kami sa year-end sale na to. Again, sa November 28 to 32 sa Glorieta 4, in front of Plains and Prints. If hindi kayo around Manila, may live stream din sila sa official FB page ng J Park that will allow you to avail of this promo online. Pero book and buy basis pag online. Follow for more travel scoops!